In this video, I will show you how to switch between multiple accounts in Instagram. First of all, open Instagram. In the bottom right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Then in the top right corner, you will see these three lines. Click on it. You will find log out and add account. Click on add account. Then go to log into existing account, or you can create a new account. For now, let's click on log into existing account. Now you can click on use another profile, or you might have already logged into it. Now put in your username and password and simply click on login. Once you have logged into that account, you can go to your profile, and at the bottom right corner you will see your profile icon. If you tap and hold on to it, you will see multiple accounts. You can simply click on whichever account you want to log into, or you can simply double tap on your profile icon and you will be logged into your account. If you double tap again, you will switch account with another profile. And that's it. That's how you can switch between multiple accounts in Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.